Greetings my fellow planeswalkers, this is the General speaking, and this, as you can see, is my first video on this channel on YouTube, and I shall open up a Kaladesh pre-release pack. I've chosen this one to be my first video because my introduction to Magic the Gathering, well, came before Kaladesh, but I only started liking and collecting Magic the Gathering when Kaladesh came out. Thought the cards look nice, so might as well say yay, awesome. So that is why I've started this channel and why I've decided to start hopefully a good channel with the Kaladesh pre-release packs. As you can see, it is all it's already sealed, factory sealed of course, so that's awesome, that is. I'm sure we'll open it up. I am a newbie when it comes to Magic. I know a little bit about it. My first match in Magic was at a draft event at Friday Night Magic. I came in dead last. And I mean dead last, and I mean dead last. I lost every match. I think I almost drew one, but I lost it in the end. As you see, here's the cardboard that comes around it. Nothing special there, apart from it tells you. There we go. It tells you how to open it up. So we shall do it. It says to push that down and then pull that there. That's nice. Comes with the spin down die, I believe that's called 20 side dice with the Kaladesh symbol there as number 20. Awesome. I already have one of these dice, but awesome to add to my collection. Starting a collection of 20 sided dice, by the way. As you can see, that is the nothing in this box, but it's just there to fill up the box there. It comes with a little leaflet, building a sealed deck. Most successful sealed decks are 2 colours and have exactly 40 cards, included in 17 to 18 lands. You should try to include 15 to 18 creatures and 5 to 18 non-creature spells. Treat vehicles as non-creature spells. Tips for choosing your creatures and other spells include some creatures that are at every cost from 2 to 6. This will make it more likely that you'll have a creature to cast every turn. Try not to play more than 3 or 4 creatures of a given cost. Try to include as many creatures as possible with evasion abilities like flying, trample and menace. Try not to play more than 3 vehicles and make sure that you have enough creatures to crew them. Look for non-creature spells that destroy your opponent's creatures or artifacts. Make your own creatures larger or deal damage to creatures or players. Feel free to play any number of cards that use energy counters, which is that one there. They work well with one another and they are also fine on their own. Ask for advice. Above all, remember to ask questions to get advice from others when building your deck. At a pre-release, you can ask other players for help and you can adjust your deck throughout the day if you're not satisfied with it. And this is a little blurb about, of course, Kaladesh and the story behind it. At least I believe it is. Yes, it is, yes. So that's a nice little handy bit there for building your sealed deck, especially at a pre-release event. Comes with the divider, just the one divider, that's okay, and the pre-release card. Syndicate Trafficker was a rare card, 24th to the 25th of September 2016, for 1 and Swamp, from 1 and, I want to say black, Swamp. You get a 3/1 creature, Aetherborn Rogue. Sacrifice an artifact, put a +1/+1 counter on synthetic Kravika. It gains indestructibility until the end of turn. Hopefully I said that correctly. Yes. Nice little card there. I would certainly get this graded if I could afford it, but I can't at the moment. But yes, it will be added to my collection so I can build up my master deck of Kaladesh when I get round to it. And here to build a Thopter, it shows you how to build it. I won't do it myself because I know a game shop where I go to who would greatly appreciate that as a donation to their shop. They probably don't want it, but yes. But yes, I shall donate it out of my goodwill of my own heart. And we have 2, 3, 4, 5 different pack arts plus the 6 pack. So I'll put them 2 last just because they said 6. And we'll go this way here. Just confirming that. Sorry about that. Just animals in another room. So yes, we'll start off with this fella. I like how I don't have a story there. Some people like it to have a story there, some people don't. Me personally, I'm not bothered. At the moment, I don't like it. We start off with a Propeller Pioneer, Dramatic Reversal, Live Fast, Build to Last, Select for Inspection, Foundry Screecher, Attune with Aether, Thriving Grubs, Commencement of Festivities, Prakata Pilar Bug, okay, Consulate Surveillance, Essence Extraction, Bombat Bazaar Barge. Well, that's actually not a bad one. For 4, it's 5/5. It's a vehicle artifact. The rare is a Syndicate Trafficker. Okay, that is awesome. We got the pre-release one, and we got the regular one. All we need now is a foil one to complete the trifecta. And we have, of course, token planes and little magic jewels. I think that's online. magic.wizards.com/jewels. Bigger cards, more strategy, bigger story. Oh, that's awesome. Pop the lands on top there. Put that to one side. Start with this fella. Yes, I am trying to build up master sets of different Magic expansions. Hopefully Kaladesh will be my first, because that was the first expansion, as you may know, that I got into Magic with. Of course, I'll be doing reviews of other Magic items and packs and expansions, whatever. I'll show off all my Magic Gathering master sets as and when I manage to get them. Thriving Ibex, Metal Spinner's Puzzle Knot. Oh, I do like that Metal Spinner's Puzzle Knot. It's a snake eating itself. Revolutionary Rebuff, Rush of Vitality, Revoke Privileges, Accomplished Automaton. Yeah, easy for some to say. Welding Sparks, Welding Sparks deals X damage to target creatures where X is 3 plus the number of artifacts you control. That's awesome. Well, not for the opponent. Cowl Prowler for 4 and 2 green. It's a 6/6 creature. Consulate guards who pursue fleeing renegades into the cowl often become lost, occasionally permanently, in the city's wildest greenbelt. Built to smash. Wily Bandar. Elegant Edge Crafters. Edge Crafters, sorry, not grafters. Weapon Craft Enthusiast. Unlicensed Disintegration. Bowmad Curious, and basic token there, and Servo, which is nice. That's the rare card. Of course, I don't believe we're going to get any mythics or foil mythics. That'd be nice if we did, though, wouldn't it? We start off with Aether Tradewinds, Turned Operative, Acrobatic Maneuver, Glassblower's Puzzle Knot, Wind Drake, 2/2 for 2 and a blue, it's a 2/2, flying, Lawless Broker, Reckless Fireweaver, Pima Outrider. I do like the looks of that creature there. Not the elf guy on the top, but the creature itself. And that rock formation in the background reminds me of something. I don't know where. Now, for 2 and 2 green, it's a 3/3 creature with trample. Prophetic Prism. Hijack, Gear Shift Ace, for 1 and planes, or white. It's a 2/1 first strike. Whenever Gear Shift Ace crews a vehicle, that vehicle gains first strike until end of turn. That's nice. Shrewd Negotiation, Iron League Steed, Cultivator's Caravan is the rare card, obviously, because you know that. It's for free. It's a 5/5. Add 1 mana pool of any colour to your mana. Add 1 mana of any colour to your mana pool. Yeah. Crew 3. Tap any number of creatures you control with total power of 3 or more. This vehicle becomes an artifact creature until end of turn. Nice. And here's your... Oh, that's a nice island there. And Servo token. Different from the last Servo tokens. We have this fella. At least I hope it's a fella. Could be a woman. My apologies if it is. Don't misapply. Yeah. Tasseled Doomderry, Fireforge's Puzzle Knot, Nimble Innovator, Die Young, Sky Swirl Harrier, Cogworker's Puzzle Knot, Attune with Aether, Thriving Grubs, Kujar's Seed Sculptor. Hopefully I've pronounced that right. Or Kujar. Trusty Companion. Oh, a hyena. Vigilance. Awesome. Janjit Sentry. Oval Chase Dragster. Master Trinkerer is the rare card. For 2 and a white, it's a 3/2 creature. Servers and Thopter you control get +1/+1. For 3 and a white, create a 1/1 colourless server artifact token. And we have a swamp. Oh, we have a foil plains. That's awesome. I love these. I love the foil cards. Definitely my favourites. Tell you what, I'm gonna put these to one side here. There we go. Love the foil cards. We have Tezzeret's Ambition, Mind Rot, Herald of the Fair, Nanam Cobra, Malfunction, Torch Gauntlet, Salivating Gremlins, Ornamental Courage, Prophetic Prism, Era of Innovation, Fairgrounds Warden, Fabrication Module, Culture of Blades is the rare card, and we have a Forest token, and a Renegade. Oh, and an emblem. Oh, brilliant, Chandra. Whenever you cast a spell, this emblem deals 5 damage to target creature or player. But look at that. Renegade Tactics. For 1 red, it's a sorcery. Target creature can't block this turn. Draw a card. That's awesome. Good artwork as well. So, Yeong Hao Han. Good, that's the artist on this one. Awesome. Speaking of Chandra. Oh, that was from a Chandra art as well, wasn't it? Oh yeah, we got the Chandra emblem from a Chandra art. Oh, I love that when it happens. We start off with, put that there to our side, sorry. Eager Construct, Wind Drake, Thriving Rats, Tasseled Dromedary, High Tide Hermit, Fortuitous Find, Woodweaver's Puzzle Knot. Oh, that's actually nice. Actually could be made in real life, that one. Any woodworkers out there? Welding Sparks, Larger Than Life, Demolish. Oh, the cute little ones there. Creeping Mold, destroy target artifact, enhancement or land for 2 and green. Well, 2 and 2 green, so. We have a Morbid Curiosity, Aether Renegade, Smuggler's Copter is the rare card, and Anna Servo. So, overall, it's not bad pre-release pack. We have 2 planes, which I should sleeve up, to be honest with you. Oh, foils, so not 2 planes. Your Renegade Tactics and a planes. Nice foil cards there to add to my collection. An emblem from number 10 out of 12. Chandra. If this comes in a foil variation, I would certainly love that. And the rare cards. You have Smuggler's Copter, Cultivator of Blades, Master Tinkerer, Cultivator's Caravan, Bombard Curator, and Syndicated Trafficker, which is also our pre-release promo. Of course, we already think that's awesome, don't we? So yes, thank you very much for watching my video here on Planeswalker General. I am your General. You have been awesome if you have watched this long, and hopefully I shall see you in my next video. As you were.